It's not about picking stocks. It's about picking the right portfolio.
Just a little patience here, but again, that's certainly not going to be subtracting from what is not 2% inflation. Okay, so it's 3.4%. Bloody well, every old wall economist was at 3.1 hoping for it because the headline expectation was 3.2. You know, can you imagine if it was 3.1 or 2.9 what they would be saying? Now they're just saying, oh, it was a Hall of Fame year. Austin Goolsbee. Austin Goolsbee. Like, really? Like, okay, we can go on and on, but he's not worth the breath that I can breathe. But again, he's talking about how it's a Hall of Fame year for inflation. I mean, these are the people that told you inflation couldn't go to 3, never mind 5, then 9. All right. Oh, it's a Hall of Fame year. I mean, it's an amazing thing to watch the political arrogance that we have with the all-time high in U.S. deficits and debt combined. It's an amazing thing. Some people believe that that's the way. They believe that government spending and central market planning is the path forward. Look at J.P. Morgan's guidance this morning. It includes 6 rate cuts. Jamie Dimon, hey, look, I beat the quarter because I got to buy this thing during a regional banking crisis, and I get to add that to my earnings, which is, again, non-GAAP. His earnings were actually flat. We went through this on the call. So I'm crushing it because I got the central planning event there. And if I get my 6 rate cuts over there, I can still be the only guy who's a billionaire that never started his bank. So it's an amazing thing, Jamie. It's an amazing thing to be begging for rate cuts right now and still talking about real world inflation. What are you going to get when you cut 6 times? You're going to get deflation? No, you're going to get more inflation in dollars. So again, I digress on that. If you like the idea of 1 rate cut, never mind 3 or 6, and there was only one person with a spine at the Fed yesterday, Mester, I think her name is, that came out and said, hey, look, that number was way higher than everybody had. Maybe we shouldn't be cutting rates straight away in March. One person. One person. This is the country you live in, okay? This is on you if you live in this country. You vote. I don't, okay? Many people that are leaders have signed off on this. Both parties have signed off on this. I'm not signing off on this. I'm going to try to make money on this. I'm going to try to survive this. But this is not the America that I came to.